Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Najwa Syifa with student ID number 24109122200023. Group 9, Satu Argo. I am from the Public Health Study Program, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, Lambung Mangkurat University. And in this video, I want to present my essay on the theme of ethics of respecting others with the title Ethics as a Moral Value of Tolerance in Indonesia. Ethics, according to the opinion of a person named Webster Dictionary, which is seen from etymological, is something that exists from a scientific discipline that can explain something good and bad, where the duty of moral obligation regarding a collection with principles that are valued from morals. Tolerance comes from English, namely tolerance, which means letting go, respecting other people's beliefs without the need for approval from others. So, tolerance is an attitude of allowing, appreciating, and respecting a person is freedom to choose the belief of their choice. However, what needs to be the focus of attention in the midst of globalization and modernization to maintain the cultural values of the Indonesian people who must be able to uphold the value of tolerance is to maintain first, intellectuality, habituation, moral knowing, moral action, moral feeling, growing tolerance, attitude, character, education in college. Pancasila as the basis of the state motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Second, culture. Third, transcendent values. Fourth, physical skills. Fifth, human personality development. By maintaining these values, tolerance, education becomes a help that can be utilized and practiced as well as possible by the people of Indonesia. These approaches are an effort to achieve the highest value in society. The highest value in a person is character, is how to appreciate, which is a form of tolerance. The following are the factors that cause tolerance behavior in society. First, mutual help and respect. Promoting help between individuals and recognition of others' efforts and existence, creating a supportive and respectful environment. Second, desire to create unity and integrity focuses on reducing divisions and encouraging cooperation, is creating harmony in society. Third, respect and acceptance of differences, recognizing that individuals have different backgrounds and views, and being willing to accept and respect this as part of cultural richness. Fourth, attitude of mutual help, committed to helping each other in difficult situations, which strengthens social relationship and creates a sense of solidarity among community members. Fifth, desire to strengthen friendship, prioritizing good relationship between individuals, maintaining communication, and strengthening emotional bonds to build a stronger community. From these five factors, individuals are encouraged to carry out an attitude of tolerance, An attitude of tolerance will be very visible when carried out by someone, and the following are examples of behavioral manifestations of tolerance. First, respect others' opinion. Even if you disagree, accepting that everyone is entitled to have different views. And even if they disagree, respecting their opinions as a form of constructive communication. Second, not insulting differences, especially those related to Sarah. Avoiding demeaning or insulting differences related to ethnicity, religion, race, and intergroup in order to maintain harmony and create an atmosphere of mutual respect. Third, not questioning other people about sensitive matters, respecting other people's personal boundaries by not asking about things that may be considered personal or hurtful, thus avoiding conflict and discomfort. Fourth, not imposing one's own or group's interest if it is not absolutely necessary to do so, putting the common interest above personal or group interests, and avoiding selfish attitudes that can damage cooperation and relationship between individuals. Education is also very influential on morals and tolerance. This is confirmed by a journal from Malang Carmelia 2020, namely Pancasila, which is owned by students must be realist in every action and then carried out in every Pancasila subject in order to become a good and intelligent citizen. The strengthening program of Pancasila based character education in the education process is carried out by developing character education through teaching and learning activities and character education development activities. Efforts to prevent or handle so that people do not violate the rules that in the community group must have a set of values and norms that are nothing but to prevent or reduce rule violations. This is referred to as a form of social control. First, effort to maintain community unity by prioritizing long-established community unity through assistance and mutual respect between citizens. Second, efforts to instill mutual respect, namely by greeting each other and not distancing themselves from other religions, as well as participating in every activity held by the community and insulting other religions. Third, efforts through religious activities, namely by inviting each other when there are religious activities, even though they do not participate in other religions' worship, and helping and cooperating in interfaith activities. Fourth, there are no inhibiting factors in efforts. Pancasila as the foundation of the state means that the values contained in Pancasila are the basis or guidelines of the Indonesian nation. Pancasila education plays an important role in building a nationalist and moral spirit, because the values of Pancasila are very deep and serve as guidelines for all Indonesian people. All the understandings and practices of tolerance, as described above, lead us to the following considerations. First, understand certain conditions. Tolerance can be given to an action and it can be withdrawn under other conditions. Second, tolerance can be given to the coercive attitude of the party. Third, intolerable attitudes or actions need to be punished. This is the reference item. Thank you for your time and attention in listening to this presentation. I hope the ideas shared here can serve as inspiration and reflection for all of us as we uphold the values of respecting others. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.